Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Melody, good afternoon. Who sister me? India, we may be my brother. They may be our yakitwe be my brother. The one that me be a yamikunu. It's who sister me. About 2 o'clock na me audio be bro me that was it is so audio no about out. But I didn't know make us a bother me no. I don't know. It goes so bother me. Now, unim which cultural same one. Nyankopon timi yusu obi a won fatakura obi enim se wode betimi yusu no. O se de apro ase atete na yemfa nyehwe na awurade kura ofa na osiesie no ode hye no ho anuonyam. Me amekese obi ani me de. Na so me de me fi se nyamo nkonko na ekasa fa me mu. Asemi ameke Melody. Bude yi waso ye ne tie ni boni nyina kosi. Na de ameka no sa aba wo mu a wo ba anka so be ka kire me. Ne ma amansa ente de ekoso. If you say Bible say wo pe wisdom a bisenyame. Metem bia medam se Nyankopon de metifere se me hia hwe me hia nyansa me de betra asase we so na mere nso a afa me. That's what I always ask from God. I need wisdom and knowledge. Me de betra asase so. Na maybe na me ye no. Me ka say ye papa president Akufo Addo. Yet me ka say omra out. No me ka me obia hu sampa. Na obia komanto ne yem. Matise wakwa asore. Akọ kase. Wono ne mra so de. Onji entum. Iti metisa message no. Me de me dala me bo mpaye because I want God to speak to me. Mpese me ba manu maka keke. Na de ba ma adwene mu ni say atamas it because say no ye kro mu sa de ne abomination yempe kufo yempe mama yempe roaring so yempe na say wo beka it bound to happen. Na wasa church kwan na o ma ba na se enen so sambegina platform so koka kire asori ma ukọ asori adu anya asori fie o nyini panyina na kwa asori ana obekọ obefi asori bia kwa asori bia kwa mox na ke o ye kwa asori bia kwa so kwa mox a ye de ye te voice ni wo yi YouTube mu a ye fi so wotu bebe na wakoka na ya ready di aba tira me sie papa ni megina national television so said ye ya wo ba ye fie beka man country men no COVID time ya oba no o megina national television so na bo bia ho no we obia wado say apology ha wo ka say enua na ye hwehwe efi se wo ka say wo mredie happy a obi o wisdom bia fa ni nyansa ni na adwene entare de me ke ho. I'm not speaking by myself. I am pushed by the Spirit of God to say it. Say, wo miracle. When you say you krom Ghana, they say abomination. Abomination. Trouble be a Ghana be ni hon ma. O ka sesa de we, ono ne trap and in the region or jitum. Na say wo ka say wo mere so a. Na che say papa. Why ye baby? Amma almost so almost started. Now next 4 years see the version and say who free so I never almost cream. That is what the Spirit is telling me. Because I was someone send him no hoshia. Make I say me my bresso. You are not speaking by yourself, you are speaking for the country because you are there for the country. Say you won't go and can't be a messenger. You say God na man. ka say Ghana man ha ade we ensi e ka say me ma breso atamesa anka say ona na breso o mo nka obi aka say ma breso nti ni say o ka say wa breso ensi a let us say you have already planned with the people. You know what you've done. Into no before years time so now kwa never mo sharia say me kai me say me ma breso ensi mo say me finish aba wona wo de aba obanya say ni bia be mo say wona wo de aba wo mo say me boa no o mo tie de asem na meka ni ye no mo bom paye manya me revealing kira wo mo say ye papa de kai sa na de ni kire che ofiri so a they can come say de o mo ba e be so no de o ba ye but wo na wo de o mo aba eyawo na wo de o mo aba wo na mo say they put maximum force no mo put force send wa Ghana ho kwa de kra na ye secret o mo suro kro mo nyampie but say no more audacity to come out and even talk in the radio. It's me papa me pa chow me papa president Akufo-Addo te papa ba akopɛ first gentleman yes real sa wo se wonim ho hwe na wo nsa nim ubibia nim na wo pe country ni ya ene me pa chow bra national television so be jira kasa na wiase nya Ghana nko wiase na hu se wo se wo place so because ye kuro mu no ye country Ghana no is an abomination na so yakoma toye yem so kasa wo nko am abreso emba de a and they are doubt your hands are in it so if you go out then they come in na kwese wo free no ba ye na chese omo hye hodada na wo so omo fo omo hunsie ntim the message amede mani melody misraw se message betimi akọ out amame a ka be me de pa if you say no me a eba Ghana so anya no make it this is not okay me ojuma mintene na eja later masaka bye bye
Ghana for eto de bia I will not say we are funny people but we are very very interesting people. One thing Ghana for your type and I'm not saying this in a very bad way. I'm just saying this in a very interesting way. One thing Ghana for your pay and say we like shifting the goalpost. Into what share assembly a buy sa gains and semi MCC and put there and semna it's gone down I mean not as senior a buy now. We share senior na in some way air corner. Initially, the Ghana for your kind and say, well, one say embassy, say EU, European Union. It to me, I take part. Not to say President Akufo-Addo wouldn't who be. One more coin say woman yes idea. No, that's what we said. Yet say Nkrofo Babonte because Akufo-Addo nim hu hwe, wo nim hu hwe, wo nim hu hwe. Na ka say so wo nim hu hwe dia. One ma Nkrofo no yenkonko close ni down. Later na yebeti say President Akufo-Addo wakwa close place ni down. But no kra no yebeti say enyo no kra na chese wo ma yeko close ni down. The landlord. Inti no eho ene yesan shifty goalpost ni yeka say well President Akufo-Addo needs to speak on it. His silence on this particular matter is too loud. Nkofu bebre na ekasa. President Akufo-Addo the first time I wakasa no that time no I think he was inaugurating the Council of Elders. One kasa mfa ho na Ghana for kasa one kasa mfa ho na tese wofo aso and I wako asori na osi so repeat ya na afa ye na yete say okay at this point the president has stated his stance on this particular thing. In fact LGBT for no ababonti a wo mobile president ne krechi say sansem a wo kan wa asori no eni kwan say wo kasa LGBT ye gay for no na wo mo kasa nsem no na sisia no utie de yankasa ye maame nso oka utumi hu ne say wono so ka say senior president wo ba be address the nation with coronavirus no say na wo say wo be address the nation on this particular thing. You see in America no Ghana for we are very interesting people. We like to shift the goalpost. Ye can we ya yes ya dabi say na wo say wo ye no ye can we ukoya yes dabi ye ni say ye ni beje ye can we ukoya wo say dabi ye ni say ye ni beje me ka tell say dear mami ABC send the President Akufo-Addo decide say wo ye na sa kra na you get people tomorrow who come out to say dabi maybe a president Kufuor the work and work and work brofum into new be an ye one sansom that number can with you. But banner sambe come with you you get people saying say oh we are can't keke on nakumemuno when him say I did sa we are very interesting people in this country. So that's just what I'll say on this particular matter. But Montreal Madrid, our comment box to me.